Science and Technology Consortium or NSTC is presenting a 3-day knowledge enhancing workshop on an amazing topic, that is industrial effluent treatment using nanotechnology, such as leather industry, sugar industry, pharma industry and many more. The workshop will be led by the renowned Professor HIMADRI BOHIDAR, former Professor of Physics and Nanoscience, School of Physical Science and Special Center of Nanoscience, JAWAHARLAL Nehru University, New Delhi. This workshop will focus on the identification and the treatment of wastewater discharged by various industries using nanotechnology. The workshop will start on 25th of August 2022. So what are you waiting for? Registration will close on 25th of August 2022 and the registration link is given in the description box below. So grab the opportunity. Thank you.
For more updates, you can subscribe to the channel Knowledge and hit the bell icon as well.